Today we are going to talk a little about repairing the cylinder head of a Renault 4L. Involves several steps: disassembly, cleaning, inspection, resurfacing if necessary, and reassembly. Key operation include replacing the head gasket, respecting the torque, and tightening sequence of the bolts. And meticulously cleaning the mating surfaces and threads. Replacement parts such as engine-specific head gaskets, Belancourt or Crayon, and the new cylinder head bolt might be required. Disassembly and cleaning. Remove the cylinder head following the disassembly procedure. First, removing the cylinder head bolts. Thoroughly degrease the cylinder head mating surface and the tops of the pistons. Clean all the threaded cylinder head bolts with an old slotted bolt to remove any deposits. Reinstall the rocker arm lifters in their housings after cleaning and lubricating them. Step 2. Inspection and resurfacing. Inspect the cylinder head for any signs of deformation or damage. Resurfacing may be necessary to ensure a proper seal. Check that all contact surfaces are clean and in good condition before reassembling. You can watch this video to see the process of resurfacing and lighting a cylinder head. Three, reassembly. Install the new cylinder head gasket, ensuring it is correctly positioned using the top orientation and a dowel pin if possible. Cut-off bolts can be used as guides to facilitate installation. Clean and oil the new cylinder head bolts before installing them. Tighten the cylinder head bolts to the specified torque, generally 55 to 65 nanometer. Check according to your model and gasket, following a spiral tightening sequence. Respect the spiral tightening sequence. For verification, ensure that the lightning is correct and that all bolts are securely lightened using a torque wrench. Check that everything is in place and that there are no leaks. If the cylinder head has been resurfaced, a standard thickness gasket must be used. Have fun watching the video and please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I wish to you a good time, I wish to you a nice day, and I will see you the next time in the next video. Goodbye everyone. Lot.